Hi friends, it's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions. I'm bringing you a quick bonus tip about Chief Architect. This works in, as far back as I can remember at least, for layout files. If you want to, say, move this existing demo plan page to page 10, you can go and swap. Now I've got my toolbars set up. Say I want to exchange with the previous page. I want to make the demo plans exchange with the next page. So page 2 becomes page 3 and 3 becomes 2. So you kind of have to watch the title of the page. The way I've got it set up is each page has this layout label, and the page layout label is set up as A pound, and capital A pound will number sequentially as long as you have the next A pound going, capital A. It is case sensitive here. So let's go to page 2, A2, existing demo plan, and I want to exchange that with the next page. Now it becomes A3. And page 2 was the existing first floor plan. This existing first floor plan was page A3, now it's A2, but it's going back, right? And these connect to the layout label as well, so all of that stays the same. But existing demo plan used to be A2, now it's A3. We could continue going all the way to A15 if we want, but the quick way of doing that, let's back up to A2, existing demo plan, is View Project Browser, and it's going to open up like this. Go to Pages, and I can take A2, the existing demo plan, and pull that all the way down here to A14. And now A14, page 14, is A14, and that's going to be the existing demo plan. And the existing demo first floor plan became A2, and everything shifted up 1, okay? And that's one of the reasons I use that A pound, because then I don't have to go in and label every page as, you know, A3 becomes A2, A4 becomes A3, A5 becomes A4, etc. I can drop this anywhere I want, and it's that A pound is automatically going to do its thing, both here in this macro on the page title and here in this label. It's pulling from the page layout, the layout label right there, A pound. So back this up to A2, and you're all set. You can take multiple pages too. Shift click, control click, shift click, and let's control click and take these down here. Let's say we take them all the way down to that. Notice 2 through 4 and 8 now become 12 through 15. Also notice how we have E pound interrupting the A's, but the A pounds continue on. Okay? Thankfully I get to close this without saving and we don't screw up anything. Hope that's helpful. Take care.